What if I told you there are 10 secret investments that could completely change your financial future? Whether you're new to investing or a seasoned pro, these hidden gems might just be your golden ticket to incredible wealth. Growing up, I was always told that the only way to get wealthy was through real estate. After a decade of hands-on experience in investing and trading, I've learned that's just the tip of the iceberg. Today, I'm unlocking the vault to some of the most exciting and overlooked opportunities in the investment world. These aren't your typical investments. Some of these are so under the radar, they're like finding a gold mine. You'll want to take notes because these insights could make all the difference in your financial journey. So let's dive in. First up on my list is private equity. Many millionaires I know focus on private equity. This involves investing or buying companies and making them better to sell at a profit later. It's not just about big returns. It's about actively managing and improving the businesses that you invest in. Think of it like this. You're not just buying stocks on the market. You're buying a piece of a company that isn't publicly traded, getting involved and potentially making massive returns. However, private equity typically involves significant capital and is higher risk due to the illiquid nature of investments. Next up is a classic investment, stocks. Stocks are an easy way for you to own a percentage of a publicly traded business. For example, if a business issues 10 million shares and you own 1 million of those shares, you are a 10% owner in that business. In 2023, global stock market capitalization soared to over 110 trillion. Imagine this, owning a piece of Apple, Amazon, or Tesla. Tesla stock grew over 1,200% over the last 5 years. But here's the key. Don't just pick stocks blindly. Understand the companies, diversify your investments, and keep an eye on market trends. The way someone in their 20s invests is vastly different to someone in their 60s. And here's a pro tip. If you haven't lived through at least 2 or 3 major market crashes, you simply don't have enough market experience. Start with a demo account if you're new to this. It's a risk-free way to learn the ropes. Third on my list is exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. Think of ETFs as a basket of stocks from multiple companies, giving you instant diversification and reducing risk. Worried about picking the wrong stock? ETFs are your safety net. Here's the deal. If you were to start buying individual stocks, you're statistically more likely to screw it up. Also, you're up against professional traders like myself who have tools and connections that most people will never have. If you invest in the S&P 500 index, you're tracking the top 500 US companies. And historically, that has delivered an average 9 to 10% annual return across the past decades. The beauty of ETFs doesn't stop there. You can buy or sell them at any time throughout the day at market prices. Talk about flexibility and instant liquidity. And with lower expense ratios than traditional mutual funds, more of your money goes towards working for you instead of fees. Are you struggling to be a profitable trader or investor, or want to beat the market? Join us at MDX Algo, where top traders and investors thrive. Get expert coaching, powerful indicators, and access to our amazing community. Sign up now using the link in the description below to get an exclusive 10% off every month. Number 4 is a hidden gem, royalties. Imagine getting paid every time a song you wrote is played or a book you authored is sold. Royalties are a brilliant way to generate passive income. They're not just for rock stars or best-selling authors. You can earn royalties through patents, trademarks, or even audiobooks. If you have a passion or a unique idea, royalties could be your ticket to continuous income. It's about leveraging creativity and innovation. For example, authors can make over $1 million per year annually through book royalties. And with platforms like Audible expanding, the opportunities are growing. So if you have a passion or a unique idea, think about how you can turn it into a revenue-generating asset. Number 5 is cryptocurrencies. I got involved with cryptocurrencies back in 2017, and honestly, I thought it was a scam at first. Sure, they're volatile, but they offer incredible growth opportunities. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Over 90% of people lose money in crypto because they lack back-tested strategies, mismanage risk, and lack market experience. Limit this investment class to max 10% of your net worth. Let's dive into number 6, gold. Gold is one of the most time-tested investments out there. Here's why gold could be a game changer for your portfolio. It stood the test of time as a symbol of wealth and a reliable asset during economic turbulence. It shines as a safe haven when markets are shaky, retains value during inflation, and offers superb diversification. Its inverse correlation with stocks means it can balance risk and add stability. Investing in gold can be done in a few ways. The first is gold bullions, so directly owning physical gold, coins, or bars. The second is gold ETFs, which gives easy exposure to gold's value without storage hassles. Another is gold mining stocks, which allow you to profit from gold's rise through mining companies. As a professional trader, I make money trading gold contracts on the forex markets, and there's no need to own physical gold for this. It's a smart, lucrative way to profit from gold's movements against the US dollar. Gold's enduring value, versatility, and its role as a hedge make it a compelling choice. Next up is art. Art investments might not be the first thing that comes to mind, but the rich have been investing in art for centuries. In 2023, the global art market hit $65 billion, and platforms like Masterworks make it possible for everyday investors to own shares in art without needing to buy the full painting. Contemporary art has boasted 11.5% annual returns from 1995 to 2023, outperforming the S&P 500's 9.6% across the same period. Art pieces by renowned artists like Banksy have seen returns over 300%. It's no wonder high net worth individuals and institutions are flocking to this asset class. Don't overlook number 8, high yield savings accounts. They may not have the thrill of stocks and crypto, but they offer interest rates of 4 to 5%, which is much better than traditional bank accounts. Switching to one can safely boost your returns and complement your riskier investments. Personally, I use the extra interest from these high-yield accounts to fund my personal projects. It's a straightforward way to make your money work harder and to keep cash reserves for new opportunities. Whilst it won't beat inflation, it's a smart, low-risk addition to your financial strategy. Number 9 is bonds. These may not be the most thrilling investment, but they're a relatively safer, more steady way to grow your wealth over time. When governments and businesses need cash, they issue bonds, and you, the investor, get paid a set amount over time. Bonds offer low risk, but that means low reward, usually 3% annually. While they won't make you rich overnight, they can add some stability to your portfolio, especially when paired with more aggressive investments. Finally, we have collectibles, an often overlooked investment. Whether it's vintage comic books, rare coins, or luxury watches, collectibles can skyrocket in value. For example, a 1952 Mickey Mantle baseball card sold for over $5 million. Scarcity and emotional connection drive the value of collectibles. People are willing to pay big bucks for rare items that spark nostalgia. So if you have an eye for unique items, this could be a profitable addition to your investment portfolio. So there you have it, 10 secret investments that could skyrocket your wealth. Remember, every investment comes with its risks and rewards, and past performance isn't indicative of future results. Do your research, stay informed, and make decisions aligned with your financial goals. Here's the golden rule. Never invest in something you don't understand. If you found this video valuable, then hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to not miss out on weekly videos. Comment below your favorite investment or any questions you have. I would love to hear your thoughts.